Unraveling Slang. The meaning of trolleyed. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting piece of British slang, trolleyed. Have you heard it before? It's a term that you might come across in movies, songs, or even in casual conversation if you're visiting or living in the UK. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it means and how you can use it correctly. Stay tuned. Trolleyed is a slang term primarily used in the UK. It's an adjective that describes someone who is extremely intoxicated by alcohol. When someone says, "He got trolleyed last night," they mean that the person drank too much and was very drunk. The imagery here is quite vivid. It's as if the person is so drunk that they might as well be pushed around in a shopping trolley because they can't walk straight. The term, trolleyed, comes from the British word for a cart or a wheeled basket used in supermarkets, known as a trolley. The metaphor suggests that someone is so drunk that they've become like inanimate groceries, needing a trolley to be moved around. It's a colorful expression that has been part of British slang for several years. Now, let's look at how to use trolleyed in everyday conversation. It's casual and definitely not a term you'd want to use in formal situations. For example, "I'm not going out tonight. I got completely trolleyed last weekend." She was trolleyed by 9 p.m. and missed the last train home. Remember, it's important to use slang appropriately and be aware of the tone and context when you do. While trolleyed is a term used in the UK, other English-speaking countries have their own versions. In the United States, you might hear wasted or hammered, and in Australia, legless. It's fascinating how different cultures have developed their own slang terms for being drunk. That's all for today's lesson on the British slang term, trolleyed. We hope you found it enlightening and that it adds a bit of flair to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not only about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about cultural expressions and nuances. Use slang wisely, and you'll sound more like a native in no time. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Cheers!